And KQ2 Sam Rowe is at the university to learn why students are benefiting from these hearings.
The Missouri Western District Court of Appeals met today at Missouri Western State University in a public hearing to hear arguments on 3 separate cases. Events like this are designed to help students and people better understand how the judicial system works in our society.
The 3 cases heard on Wednesday each included an interpretation of constitutional law, including double jeopardy, habeas corpus rights, and federal gun laws. These cases were chosen to be heard on Wednesday due to their interesting nature, and because the lawyers arguing them gave the students a good idea of the law in action.
Events like this really bring the rule of law to the community so they can see how the process is made even at our highest courts, our appellate courts, which review trial court errors. So they really do a wonderful service allowing the students, particularly pre-law students who are able to attend today, to engage in the process and understand and inform them whether they might want to go to law school and become a part of it.
The court tries to get out to as many places as it can around Missouri.
Typically, most people aren't going to venture down to 13th and Oak in Kansas City to see them at work, and maybe don't even know what they do. So I think it's great, and they have me come every once in a while to these as well, that they go throughout to the northwestern part of the state, which is where they hear most of their cases from, to colleges, to law schools, sometimes even to high schools. I went to one in North Kansas City with them once. And it shows the general public, and students in particular, how they do their work and how the sausage is made, for lack of a better term.
Presiding Judge Pfeiffer hopes that this type of work will inspire the next generation of lawyers.
But we want every student within the footprint of the Western District of the Missouri Court of Appeals to have an opportunity to see real lawyers and real judges in an oral argument setting. Because to the extent that there is a student that is considering a career in the law, we want them to see what it looks like. And we want them to know that they have the capability to do those things and pursue that sort of a career. We may very well be conducting an oral argument with one of our future colleagues.
Reporting in St. Joseph, Sam Rowe, KQ2 News.
KQ2 will have more from this event coming up this weekend.